Okay, I'm just going to make a couple of small points about the homework. Um, so, first question, like, have you ever been to Jeju? Okay, how many times did you go? Who did you go with? Okay, have you ever met someone famous? Okay, now maybe you could say yes. Now, yes, because the question is have, then I would say yes, I have. Okay, and then follow-up questions. Now, when okay, did you meet? Now, many of you would write things something like someone famous, but you don't need to say that. You can just say, when did you meet them? Okay, all right. Maybe what? How was it? How was it? Okay, maybe what were they like? Maybe where did you meet them? You don't need to say, where did you meet someone famous? Okay, so you don't need, where did you meet them? Have you ever broken a promise? Have you ever broken, so have you ever broken a promise? Okay. Okay, then again, yes, I have. Okay, when did you when did you do that? See, you don't. When did you do it? When did it? Or when did it happen? You could say when did it happen, or something like that. Or what happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So you don't need to say when did you break a promise. So when did it happen? So you can make this shorter. Have you ever? So. Have you ever? So then we're going to have to put the third column, in that list. So have you ever bought, okay, bought. Okay, anything. Expensive, okay. Yes, I have. When did you buy? And then, when did you buy it? Okay, so that's what I want to do. And you see, you're changing here. So not when have you, when did you buy it? Okay, all right. Have you ever lost yourself? When did you lose it? When did you lose it? Have you ever? So yoga. Have you ever? Have you ever? Okay. Done yoga. Have you ever lost your temper? Okay, so that's just some things there. So we switch to the past simple. We switch to past simple. Okay, and we use what we call these pronouns. Okay, so we change to a pronoun. You don't have to say the whole thing again. You got it? Okay, thank you. That should be good.